Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to download Notion application on your smartphone. To download the popular Notion app on smartphone, open your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search box type in Notion, Notion and search. Look for this application that says Notion, Notes, Tasks, AI and tap on Get or the install button. Wait for it to download and install automatically, and once it does, tap on Open to launch Notion. Now you can go ahead and sign up to a new account and start up with Notion, or if you have an existing account, you can continue logging in. So that's how you easily download and install Notion right on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.